The Voyager probes have been traveling through the universe for over 45 years, raising questions about their distant future. Will these two remarkable probes ever reach a distant star system or encounter extraterrestrial life? And what about NASA's Pioneer probes, launched in the 1970s? Let's explore the incredible journeys of these interstellar ambassadors. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched in 1977 to take advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets. This alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune occurs only once every 175 years, making it an opportune moment for exploration. NASA quickly assembled two probes that would go on to make history. Initially, both Voyagers were tasked with exploring Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 2 later extended its mission to include Uranus and Neptune, becoming the only probe to closely study these ice giants. Utilizing gravity-assist maneuvers, the probes traversed the solar system at unprecedented speeds. Within a few years of their launch, the Voyagers began sending back groundbreaking data. Voyager 1 transmitted high-resolution images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, identifying it as a massive storm. It also discovered active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io and documented Saturn's intricate ring systems and moons. Voyager 2 continued its groundbreaking work, capturing detailed images of Uranus and Neptune and discovering new moons and rings around these planets. Powered by plutonium-238 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, the Voyagers have now traveled billions of kilometers into space. Voyager 1 has journeyed over 24 billion kilometers and entered interstellar space, while Voyager 2 follows closely behind, also exploring the interstellar medium. Despite their incredible distances, both probes still send data about cosmic radiation, particles, and magnetic fields. However, their power sources are weakening, and malfunctions have become more frequent. NASA engineers have performed remarkable remote maintenance, keeping the probes operational. If all goes well, data from the interstellar medium could continue until the end of this decade. When the Voyager's power sources are depleted, they will cease to send data, but will continue drifting through space. Calculations suggest that in about 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass near the star Gliese 445, having traveled 17.6 light-years. Voyager 2 will come close to the bright star Sirius in 296,000 years. With no specific destinations, the probes will wander the galaxy, potentially for billions of years. Both Voyagers carry golden records containing audio greetings in various languages, music, sounds, and images from Earth. Though primarily scientific instruments, they also serve as cultural ambassadors, carrying humanity's legacy into the vastness of space. While the Voyager missions capture much of the public's attention, the Pioneer probes deserve recognition for paving the way. Launched in the early 1970s, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 were among the first spacecraft to explore the outer solar system. Pioneer 10, launched on March 2, 1972, became the first probe to traverse the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. In December 1973, it passed Jupiter at a distance of approximately 132,000 kilometers, providing the first close-up images of the gas giant. It also delivered data on Jupiter's intense radiation, magnetic field, and turbulent atmosphere before venturing into interstellar space. Pioneer 11, launched on April 6, 1973, followed a similar trajectory, providing unique data from Jupiter's inner radiation belt. In a daring maneuver, it flew perilously close to Jupiter, surviving the gas giant's extreme radiation. Pioneer 11 went on to explore Saturn, transmitting the first measurements of the temperature of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and images of the planet's rings. Communication with Pioneer 10 ceased in January 2003, and with Pioneer 11 in November 1995, as their energy sources depleted. Today, Pioneer 10 is about 19.5 billion kilometers from Earth, heading toward the constellation Taurus, while Pioneer 11 is approximately 15.4 billion kilometers away, moving toward the constellation Scutum. Like the Voyagers, both Pioneers carry messages for potential extraterrestrial civilizations. Gold-plated aluminum plaques depicting humans, Earth's location, and our solar system's position in the Milky Way. NASA resumed its exploration of the outer solar system with the launch of New Horizons in 2006. This probe, one of the fastest ever launched, was designed to study Pluto, its moons, and the Kuiper Belt. Part of NASA's New Frontiers program, New Horizons aimed to expand our understanding of the distant reaches of the solar system. After a 9-year journey, New Horizons reached Pluto on July 14, 2015, delivering the first detailed images of the dwarf planet. Using a gravity assist from Jupiter in 2007, the probe achieved the necessary speed for its historic mission. The flyby revealed Pluto's active surface, with vast ice sheets, glaciers, and potential cryovolcanoes. Contrary to expectations of a barren, icy world, Pluto displayed surprising geological activity. Its atmosphere, composed of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, showed evidence of weather phenomena, including nitrogen snow. The probe also studied Charon, Pluto's largest moon, uncovering geological features like deep canyons and smooth plains, hinting at a dynamic past. After its Pluto flyby, New Horizons continued into the Kuiper Belt, where it studied the peculiar object Arrokoth in January 2019. This dual-lobe body provided insights into the formation of small planets and the dynamics of merging objects. Currently located about 8.2 billion kilometers from Earth, 55 astronomical units, New Horizons continues its journey toward interstellar space. The probe is expected to remain operational and transmit data until the 2040s, after which it will silently drift through the galaxy as a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. The Voyager, Pioneer, and New Horizons missions exemplify humanity's quest to explore the unknown. These spacecraft not only advance scientific knowledge, but also carry messages of Earth's culture and achievements to the stars. Whether they ever encounter extraterrestrial life remains uncertain, but their enduring presence in space ensures that humanity's story will continue to unfold among the stars. Within a few years of their launch, the Voyagers began transmitting groundbreaking data that transformed planetary science. Voyager 1 provided high-resolution images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, confirming it as a massive storm persisting for centuries. It also discovered active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, a revelation that demonstrated volcanic activity outside Earth. At Saturn, Voyager 1 delivered detailed views of the planet's intricate ring system and uncovered surprising characteristics of its moons. Voyager 2, in its extended mission, continued the legacy of discovery. At Uranus, it captured images of a pale blue planet, revealing faint rings, new moons, and the planet's oddly tilted magnetic field. Neptune, the final stop, provided a treasure trove of data, including dynamic weather patterns, a dark storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, and insights into its largest moon, Triton, which displayed active geysers ejecting nitrogen gas. Today, both Voyagers have traveled billions of kilometers beyond their original targets. Voyager 1, now over 24 billion kilometers from Earth, became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, offering unique data about the interstellar medium. These probes continue to send valuable information about cosmic radiation, magnetic fields, and the boundary between our solar system and the vast expanse of interstellar space. The Voyagers rely on plutonium-238-powered radioisotope thermoelectric generators, which are gradually losing power. Despite this, NASA engineers have performed remarkable remote maintenance to keep the probes operational. If all goes well, They may continue to transmit data until the end of this decade. After their power sources are depleted, the Voyagers will silently drift through the galaxy, carrying golden records that encapsulate Earth's sounds, images, and greetings for potential extraterrestrial civilizations. Before the Voyagers, NASA's Pioneer probes paved the way for interplanetary exploration. Pioneer 10, launched in 1972, was the first spacecraft to traverse the asteroid belt and provide close-up images of Jupiter. It delivered groundbreaking data on the gas giant's intense radiation, magnetic fields, and atmospheric dynamics. Pioneer 11, launched in 1973, expanded on this work, becoming the first probe to encounter Saturn and providing unprecedented insights into its rings and moons. Communication with Pioneer 10 ceased in 2003, and with Pioneer 11 in 1995, as their power supplies dwindled. Like the Voyagers, both Pioneers carry messages for extraterrestrial civilizations, gold-plated plaques depicting humans, Earth's location, and our solar system's position in the galaxy. These probes are now drifting through space, with Pioneer 10 headed toward the constellation Taurus and Pioneer 11 toward Scutum. NASA's exploration of the outer solar system continued with the launch of New Horizons in 2006. As one of the fastest spacecraft ever launched, New Horizons embarked on a mission to study Pluto, its moons, and the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. After a 9-year journey, New Horizons made history on July 14, 2015, by performing a close flyby of Pluto. The probe revealed a surprisingly active world with vast ice sheets, glaciers, and potential cryovolcanoes. Pluto's thin atmosphere of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide displayed dynamic weather phenomena, including nitrogen snow. Currently located about 8.2 billion kilometers from Earth, New Horizons continues its journey toward interstellar space. Equipped with advanced instruments, it transmits data about the outer reaches of our solar system and the Kuiper Belt. The probe is expected to remain operational until the 2040s, after which it will join the ranks of the Voyagers and Pioneers, drifting silently through the galaxy. The universe is vast, and there's so much more to explore. Stick with Space Lab, and together, we'll uncover it all. See you in the next video.